Hi, my name is Joanna. Today, I will show you how to install Smartans Power Strip.
This is how the packaging of Smartans Power Strip look like. There are 5 icons describing the strength of this product. 2 of them are electrical surge protections and flame-resistant material. The rest you can see from this product demonstration. Here is the product specifications.
Well, I can see this Smartans Power Strip has RoHS certification too.
Inside the box, we have the Power Strip and a user guide on how to install the Power Strip. Here you see the button is blinking. Just to make sure, we can press this power button for about 3 to 5 seconds to reset and prepare to add the device to Smart Life app. After the power strip is reset, I will show you how it is installed in the Smart Life app.
Joanna, where can I get the Smart Life app?
You can download and install Smart Life app from Google Play Store if you have Android phone, or Apple Store if your phone is on iOS. After the Smart Life app is installed, you can click the Smart Life app. Here I show you. Once you enter Smart Life app, you will see all the device you have added. If you do not have any device added, you can go straight to the blue color plus sign located at the top right-hand corner. Under the electrician, you will find Power Strip. Click on the Wi-Fi Power Strip to start adding Smartans Power Strip. Smart Life app will ask you to reset the device first. If the indicator is blinking, the Power Strip is ready to be added. You notice that the Power Strip indicator is already blinking after we pressed the power button for 5 seconds just now. So we will go ahead to press Confirm button. The next step will ask you to enter the SSID and password of your Wi-Fi. This will connect your Power Strip to the Wi-Fi network in your home or office. Before you start the installation, it is better if your phone is already connected to the Wi-Fi network, so SSID and the password would normally automatically filled in. Congratulations! The registration process is successful. You can change the name of the device if you want to. In this case, I will name it Power Strip on Desk. You can check the location of the Power Strip too. This Power Strip is in the bedroom, for example. Now we will test how does it works. I am testing the Power Strip with a desk lamp. Please take a look this demo. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next session of Smartans YouTube channel.